Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to present you how to insert curved line shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert curved line in this document. Firstly, go to the Insert menu. Then click Shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. We find and select the curved line. Then draw this shape. Now we can see here we insert the curved line very easily. You can change the curved line color. Click the curved line and go to the Format menu. Then click Shape Fill or click Shape Outline. And you can apply another effect like Shape Style. Click the Shape Style drop down menu and choose any style. Now we can see here we insert this curved line very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.